This is Megan Wilkoskis. It is October 16th, 2018. This is how to use a period scheduler to schedule events in the library or a space during a specific period using the new period scheduler that Tim made for us. Okay, so I'm using the document that he made us, and the document came out, I think, on the end of August, I think August 27th, and it's the instructions for scheduling by period are on page 5. Okay, so we're going to pull up, I'm using Kristen Kramer's calendar. And over here on the left-hand side, if you don't have period scheduler, then you won't be able to do this set of instructions. And if that's true, you need to email tech@spx.org so that Tim or Daniel can send you a link to add period scheduler to your calendars. At any time, once you have period scheduler, if you've got it checked, you see all of this each and every time. So when you go into month mode, it's like you see periods everywhere. You want to uncheck it unless you're using it. Okay. Alrighty. So it's easier to do this by week mode or day mode. And let's say you wanted to schedule one side of the library for first period on October 17th. So I'm going to click here. You copy to your calendar. So when you're done, it will put it on your Google Calendar, and it's also going to schedule the room. So we're going to pretend that Kristen wants to schedule something for APUSH and do research. After she puts in the title, so what class she's planning to use, and this is only scheduling for one period, and you can only schedule your space for one period at a time. You come over here to rooms. You pick which room you want to schedule. We're going to focus on the library, but you could schedule anything else in the school that has schedulable space. So right now, you don't see library side A open. That's because side A is already booked by somebody else tomorrow. So you will only see the spaces that are available for you to use here under rooms. Everything else will have been removed. So we're going to schedule it for side B, and we're going to hit save. So now it is, she's got something scheduled on her calendar for APUSH. It will also be on the main building library's calendar, which you can't see because it's not one of your calendars, but that way you know you have scheduled the space. And when you click on here, it will tell you what space you scheduled. When you are done, the best thing to do again is uncheck period scheduler so that you no longer see all of those periods. You will not be able to schedule multiple periods at one time. So unfortunately, this is one of the drawbacks, but this allows us to schedule it by period and not by 9 to 10 or 10 to 11. So Tim or Daniel, I think it was Tim, scheduled on all the specific periods and all the funky schedules throughout the whole year so that you don't have to worry about the time periods. You just have to schedule it by the period. Let me know if you have any questions.